Hi, I'm Chris Ward, Territory Manager for Cargill. Here are my top 5 tips on how the Customer Hub can help you this harvest. Tip number 1. All your paperwork is now in the one spot, where you can see all your contracts, invoices and reports. It should make it easier to stay on top of your paperwork. Tip number 2. You can see all your grain flow tickets in one place. You can also manage your tickets online by allocating them to open contracts, pool allocations or cash at silo. Tip number 3. You can get live grain prices throughout the day for the port zones and all the grain receivable sites you want. This makes it easier to stay up to date with the market movements and not miss a pricing opportunity. Tip number 4. If there's a price you like, you can book a contract immediately. Just select the price you like and request a contract by entering the tonnes. Tip number 5. You can set price alerts and even make offers to sell your grain at the price you want. And a bonus tip. Do you know you can give your Customer Hub account access to your broker or advisor to request contracts and manage tickets on your behalf. Simply let your broker know and they'll send you a link which you can verify and give them access. Hopefully these tips will help. Have a good harvest.